Hello, welcome to TOK Exhibition prompt number 6. How does the way that we organise or classify knowledge affect what we know? Well, I think that we have a tendency as human beings to put things into boxes. We like things to be neat and tidy. So let's imagine we have a bunch of random shapes like this. What I think we will inevitably do is put those shapes into boxes that we deem to be appropriate. We group them together based on what we feel are common characteristics. And this is good because we can look at the top box and we can say, okay, these shapes are similar because they seem to have three sides. We are now going to label such shapes as triangles, and if we find another shape that has three sides, we can also say that is a triangle. So it's great for identifying similarities. It's also good for noticing distinctions. So we can say the top box has shapes that only have three sides. The second box has shapes that have four sides, and that is how triangles and squares are different. So it allows us to compare and contrast. But I do have some concerns with such categorization. What happens if we put this circle into the circle box? Well, what we do is we neglect the circle itself. This might be a wonderful magic circle, but we would never be able to appreciate that because we're too busy fitting it into a box. And what happens if you get something like this that doesn't fit into a box? We can either force it in or we forget about it altogether. And that in itself can be problematic. So, quite a few abstract ideas there. I hope you can consider those ideas and think about some real world applications for those ideas. Thank you.